here we have our inverter dual fuel generator. This will run everything that you would need in there. It would, if you need to recharge the batteries, if you need to run the air conditioner, or let's say you need to run the microwave when you're not plugged into shore power. This is the generator. So again, it's dual fuel. Okay, so right here you have the option of switching it to gasoline, or propane, and I'll show you how to use both. We'll provide you with a full tank of gasoline, and we also have a tank of propane that you'll be able to use. So we'll start with gas. So it's selected on gas, and all you have to do is find the big red button and turn it on. Okay, and as with most gasoline engines, you want to pull the choke out when you're first starting it. Okay, and then here's your starter. Give it a couple pulls. Okay, now put the choke back in, and it should start right up here. Okay, power's on. It says it's ready for use. So you would plug the RV right into here. All right, now we'll power everything inside there. On here, on the display, it shows how many hours and minutes you have left based on the current gas level and the current load that's on the generator. Okay, so that can be useful information. Turning it off is as simple as just hitting the red switch again. So some safety things, obviously the exhaust comes out the back, and carbon monoxide is very dangerous. So there is a carbon monoxide sensor inside. Depending on wind conditions and what windows you have open, just be aware that detector will detect if any of this gets inside. Feel free to run it. It is safe to run it here on this platform. However, if it was me, I'd probably just lift it off, put it over here, just a little farther away, just for comfort. It is heavy though, so that's why I say you can run it here. Another advantage of taking it off and putting it somewhere else is it vibrates the frame. And I don't really notice it inside, but some people say that they do notice the vibration inside, so they'd rather have it off the vehicle. All right, let's talk about propane real quick. So to switch it to propane mode, switch it there, and then you have to hook up your propane tank. So this is a standard propane tank connection. It just screws right onto your tank. Okay, and then the other end goes into the generator right here. Pop that cover off. And just hand tighten it initially. And then in the little bag here is the wrench for that. Now, it doesn't need to be super tight. In fact, you could damage it if you try. So just snug it up like that, okay? Now you have to turn the propane tank on, just like you would with the barbecue grill or anything else. Okay, and now it's ready to go. So we've selected propane, we've hooked up the tank, we've made sure everything's tight, and we've turned on the propane. Now, it's the same process as before. Turn the red switch on and pull your starter. Starts right up. Okay, this will go green and it shows. Now this will not give you a run time because it doesn't know how big your propane tank is. Okay, so I've read that depending on your load, you can run anywhere from 10 to 18 hours per propane tank. So switching it off is the same procedure. And that's that.